guys, thanks for clicking on my video. This is my very first video, so thanks again. Make sure you like and subscribe. But yes, I'm Miss What Can She Not Do, and if you keep watching, you'll wonder what can she not do. But in this video, I'll be showing you guys how I transform my bathroom very inexpensively, and you could also save a little bit more. It just depends on your budget. But yeah, continue to watch to see this transformation, and if you would like to see anything that I did in more detail, please comment below. I do have another bathroom renovation coming up, so without further ado, check out my video. Right now, trying to plan and do this for we're gonna be the task since it's uneven or whatever. We're gonna see what we can get. Let's see what I come up with.
of the toilet, I moved it over there so I could like, see the stuff right there. And that's the hole, and that's the tub where everything is, and I almost fell in there. And again, that's the thing that I put right there, just like if it was lower to the ground, it will be like that, and it will make it close tighter. So yeah, that's the thing, and so as you can see, you can just see my socks, but according to the video you are watching, that is the toilet hole. Now, next part, please. Thank you, next.